In this video, I will discuss how to create the requirements.txt file. So this particular file contains the information about all the libraries and versions of the libraries. Usually this will be created after installing the project dependencies. What we will do is we will install one of the library called playwright pytest. Then we will create a requirements.txt file, and finally we will generate the requirements file with the libraries and the libraries versions. Let's quickly install this library in our project. And if you see here, so we have installed the playwright pytest library. Now let's run the next command. So if you are using Windows, you can use the pip here instead of pip3, because I'm using a Mac system. So that's the reason I'm using the command called pip3 install -r requirements.txt file. In our project, this file is not present. It will throw the error. If you see here, there is no such file. You need to create this file manually. Let's create this file requirements.txt file under our project folder. So right now this is just a text file and it is empty. Once again we will run the same command pip3 install -r requirements.txt. So this time there is no error. Now let's run the next command. By using this command, you can freeze the requirements.txt file. Let's quickly run this command once again. pip3 freeze greater than symbol, then requirements.txt file. And if you see here, now our requirements.txt file contains all the libraries information plus respective library versions also, what we are using in this project.